It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Terrain Denali. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Terrain. On the driver's door, we've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors. We also have our child lock button, as well as our programmable memory seat and our power liftgate button. Down here we've got our premium Bose sound system, and over here we've got our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Up here we've got our power moonroof. Next I'll hop right in the Terrain. We've got our leather wrapped heated steering wheel. On this side we've got our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, as well as our heated steering wheel button. And on this side we've got our audio buttons. Here we've got our digital dash, so we can change our options here by scrolling up or down, left or right. Over here we've got GMC's infotainment center, complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen also has our audio button as well as navigation. This car also has various camera views, so we can change the angle of the camera by simply pushing these buttons. This screen also doubles as our backup camera. Down below we've got our push start button, dual climate control with air conditioning. We've got our park reverse drive buttons here, and our USB and power plug-ins down below. Over here we've got our park assist button, as well as our heated and cooled front leather seats, hill descent control, lane departure, and our 2- and 4-wheel drive, as well as off-road mode and tow mode. Here we've got our wireless charging pocket. You simply place your phone inside the pocket and it will charge it for you. Up here we've got our garage controls, as well as our power sunroof and our OnStar buttons. Inside the center console we've got some additional USB plug-ins as well as a light. At the front of the Terrain Denali we've got that unique Denali grille, fog lights, 19-inch wheels. This Terrain has a 2-liter turbo engine. Our side mirrors have our side blind zone alert. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, you simply push the silver button on any of the door handles and it will either lock or unlock the doors for you. We've got our roof rails on top, and as we make our way to the back of the Terrain, we've got our power lift gate, so we can open that with the push of a button. In the back, we've got a power plug-in. Those levers are for folding the rear seats down, and we also have some additional storage located under here. Next, we'll take a look in the back of this 5-passenger crossover. As you can see, there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. On the passenger door, we've got power windows. On the backs of those front seats, we've got a couple of seat pockets. Down here we've got some USB plug-ins, as well as our heated rear seats. Right down below we've got 120-volt power plug-in. Our center seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. And these rear seats fold down with the click of a button for those longer, larger items you'd like to stow away in the back. So come take a look at this 2020 GMC Terrain Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.